This $3 clip looks like nothing, but I can make 2 hairstyles that look money with it. Let me show you. You need a hair tie and a clip. I'm going to use about a medium-sized clip. I'm also going to take out some bangs. Well, let me give some hair context. I washed my hair this morning and I just let it air dry. I used a good amount of the Everpure 21-in-1 moisture spray. I really love this stuff. And then I topped it off with some of my Moroccan oil just to help tame the frizz. If you haven't had a chance to use this stuff, I really recommend it. Now that you know my hair situation, let's get into it. I'm gonna take out some bangs. I'm gonna do a mid-high ponytail. In a ponytail, I am going to just fluff it out. For the first hairstyle, we're going to go for a higher bun. So go ahead and just clip your hair like this. Grab this hair, flip it forward like so. Grab your hair tie, wrap it around that clip, and then gently start to fluff it out. Once you have something that looks like this, go ahead and grab the rest of your hair, which is this top section. And then what I am going to do is I'm going to kind of start pulling it to one side like this, and then just twisting. Like so, until you kind of create this little fan type thing. Then go ahead and just finish twisting it. Wrap it around. And then I'm gonna find that hair tie and I'm going to gently tuck that hair in, like so. And then at this point, you can grab a couple of bobby pins just to help secure this little loop. Not required, but recommended. Grab my mirror to see how everything is looking. Just flip out your little bun however you see fit. It's pretty good to me. And then you're left with something that looks like this. So the second one is going to be really similar to the first one. You're going to start off with a ponytail. And I am going to do a mid-height ponytail for this one also. Once you have your ponytail, and just start fluffing out your hair. Now, with this one, you are going to grab your hair clip again, except this time, you're going to clip it at the bottom. Let it go, fan your hair around, and then I grab my hair tie, I start at the top, and then just plop it on like this. If you have clean hair like I do, I would try not to pull on it so much. Try to keep it as snug as you can just so you don't get a lot of frizz and it looks more sleek. You should get something that looks like this. At this point, you can section this hair off in two. What I'm going to do is I'm going to comb that, and I'm going to just grab this hair and then wrap it around. Once I start coming to the end of my hair strand, I'm going to twist and then tuck that in. Grab a bobby pin and just secure that into place. Then again on the other side. Grab a little brush, comb that, wrap it around like this. As you get to the end of your strands, twist, tuck that in, grab another bobby pin, secure that into place. And then grab a mirror, check out the situation. At this point, you can fluff it out a little bit more if you want to. We're gonna call that a day. And then I'm gonna tuck these behind my ear. Just like that. I'm gonna fluff this out a little bit more. And I'm just gonna grab a cute little hair accessory and then just clip that in. I'm gonna grab another one, just pin it to this side. Just like that. And then you are left with something that looks like this. I'm going to try to bend it back so you can see how the top looks. And I like the way that it just crosses over. And that's it. And that is 2 ways to make a $3 clip look like money. Which style was your favorite? Comment below and subscribe for more easy hairstyles.